ABODE at Alderwood is a townhome community in Apex, North Carolina, near Beaver Creek Crossing, that pairs 3-bedroom layouts with EV-ready garages and on-site management. In the living room, ABODE at Alderwood highlights luxury wood-style flooring in living areas with open-concept floor plans that connect daily spaces across each townhome. The bedroom scene reflects 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom townhomes, including walk-in closets in the primary suite and multi-level layouts at ABODE at Alderwood. Kitchen visuals call out modern kitchens with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove, all listed among ABODE at Alderwood townhome features. At the dining area, ABODE at Alderwood adds a Google Fiber package and smart home technology, matching the connected finishes shown beside the open layout. ABODE at Alderwood is at 2513 Canarywood Lane in Apex. Visit abodealderwood.com or call 919-924-0417.